Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into Motorola Moto E14. So on the left side of the phone you will see a small hole next to the SIM card tray. Now take the SIM ejection tool and gently push it through this hole. The tray will pop out. Now take your SIM card and place it into the tray, but make sure the cut corner of the SIM card lines up with the cut corner on the tray. It only fits this way, so be careful. Once the SIM card is in the place, carefully slide it back to the phone until it is fully closed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Bye.